A database administrator is working on a PowerShell script. Due to an error, the script drops 10 out of 100, 10 tables out of 100 from the Microsoft SQL database. That's unfortunate. Veeam Explorer for Microsoft SQL will be used to restore it. It's good. Choose the option that will restore functionality with the minimum impact on user experience and RPO. Okay. Use the compare for production to restore only missing objects back. Use point in time, specify when point you want to restore database, but then we're kind of pushing the entire database back. Here we're pushing all objects. Maybe not what we want. Use the restore database and schema and data option to perform a restore to deleted SQL items. And quick rollback. So quick rollback is a distractor, right? There's no quick rollback per se here, right? It's not what we want to do. We have no control of what we're doing. Anyway, what we want to do is get the 10 tables back. So to do table restore, this is actually something I see many people not completely aware of how to do. You would have to use this database schema and data option. There's no restore table button anywhere. So this is the way to go inside the Explorer. This is what will have the least impact because we're going to be able to select just exactly these 10 tables.